Picture this. You just got back from an awesome day of wade fishing. You sit down to give your favorite reel some much needed love. You pull the spool off and this happens. Parts fly everywhere. Yep, that's my Stradic CI4 Plus, and those tiny little pieces just jump ship. That's your ratchet spring and your drag click ratchet. Lose these and your reel is completely out of commission. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. When this first happened, I spent way too long trying to force this stupid spring back into the plastic ring. Nothing worked. I actually gave up, bagged it, and had to grab my backup reel just to get through my next 2 days of fishing. But today, I'm going to show you the incredibly simple trick to snapping this thing back together in seconds without losing your sanity. Before we jump into the fix, tell me down in the comments, what's the worst piece of gear you've ever had explode on you during a trip? Alright, step one, grab some tweezers and pull these first two spacer washers off. Lay them down nicely on a paper towel or cloth so they don't roll away onto the abyss. Now here is the catch. You can't just shove the spring back in while it's still on the reel. You actually have to take the post assembly off entirely. But to do that, you need a set screw tool so small it feels like you're doing surgery. Standard tools won't cut it. I actually had to dig into my old computer building tool bag to find a Phillips head tiny enough for this set screw. Take your time getting it out. Once it's free, slide that set screw right out of the stem, and now you can finally pull off the rest of the pieces off the post to fix the spring the right way. Make sure you lay the parts on your paper towel or cloth in the order you remove so you can reverse the process later. Here's where the magic happens, and where I went wrong the first time. Take your drag click ratchet and that little metal washer plate. If you look closely at the instructions, the plate doesn't just sit anywhere. It has to seat inside the downward side of that plastic ring. If you don't line up this next part perfectly, the spring could literally shoot across the room. See that tiny turned up notch on the ratchet spring? You need to drop that tab straight down into the corresponding little notch on the washer plate. Once it catches, angle it around, push it in with your screwdriver, and snap. Boom! Fits like a glove, and that spring action is right back to where it needs to be. Now we just need to reverse the process. Drag, click, ratchet with spring, slide that next metal washer on, drop that tiny set screw back into the end of the post. Grab your micro screwdriver and secure it down. Pop those last two spacer washers back into the post. Slide your spool back over the top. Look at that. Beautiful. Drag, click, ratchet with spring is officially back in business. Tighten down the drag knob, and this Stradic is ready for the saltwater again. Did this video just save you a $50 trip to the local reel repair shop? Let me know if it worked for you. You might notice the line on this reel looks a little low right now. That's because I had to steal half of it for my backup reel. So if you want to see the best twist-free way to respool a spinning reel like this Stradic, click on that video right over here. Tight lines, and we'll see you out there on the water.